Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Shiv. My name is Shank Tutwani and I'm your host for this channel. Today's video is special. This is going to be a video that will change your life. If you have never invested in crypto before, this is probably the video for you. You should watch this and ideally watch it till the end because there is just so much packed in this. Try to understand every single bit of it before you actually make a decision. But there is something big coming in for the market and coming in for the whole Bitcoin price and the altcoin prices altogether. So before any further delays, we will go straight into the chart. First of all, we will be looking at the Bitcoin chart on a weekly time frame. Let's just move to the weekly time frame. Yeah. So here we can see that Bitcoin was forming a falling wedge. These are the yellow dotted lines you see. And after forming the falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern, we formed a symmetrical triangle. And the target of this symmetrical triangle is around these levels. Yeah. This is going to be around the $53,000 level or the $52,000 level, which is going to be happening pretty soon. So a major pump like this on a weekly chart is going to get us a bump of about let's just say 25% and put us directly over the 20 moving average and the 55 moving average. This is a pretty bullish move considering the fact that we were being supported by a major support which hasn't broken in ages. If we draw a simple fib retracement, we will be able to see that the $38,300 level, which was this red line you see, this was holding us pretty well, and we did take a bounce from it. Now coming to the fact that Bitcoin is in for a big run because the MACD on the weekly time frames is also about to flip, and when a MACD flip happens on a weekly time frame, we can see major uprise. Now coming to the second chart, which is the altcoins perpetual contracts chart for all altcoins, basically the alt perp chart. Here we can see on a weekly time frame that we were being held by very strong support, which is the yellow box you see. We took multiple dips, and whenever we touched the yellow box, we went up. We it was pretty instant. That is basically the sign of a good support. We were also forming a falling wedge on this chart, which is the blue lines you see, and we have broken to the upside. We have two resistances coming at the $38,000, $3,800 and the $3,900 levels, but we should be able to overcome these because we have another MACD flip happening on this chart as well. So March is usually considered a bearish month for Bitcoin, which is why we saw about a 10% dip in March. But this is basically because most countries have their own, tax things to complete. India including 31st March is probably the last date. And speaking of the tax, we have the new 30% tax coming from the 1st of April 2022, which is a big blow to the Indian community. And well, there is nothing we can do about it except trade around the tax. We have to make major profits to even accommodate for that 30% loss. Now coming to my last point, which is going to be there are certain altcoins that are very bullish right now, and you should probably get in when you have a chance. One of these altcoins is Waves. Waves just had a EMA flip, which is the shorter moving average moves over the long term moving average. The 22 moved over the 55. The 20 moved over the 55, and we rose 115% in the last 4 weeks. The last time this happened for Waves, this happened in August 2020. You can do this research on your own. You can just open the chart and check dates. This happened in August 2020, and we saw a 4,000% rise. We are already at 120 or 30% right now. We won't be seeing a 4,000% rise, but we will be creating a new all-time high, that is for sure. So catch this, bump or pump when you can. Also, the fact that Gala is, booming right now, as in today. If you watch this video today until the end, this is the surprise and this is the, I guess, prize for you. You can buy Gala right now. This is not financial advice. You should do your own research. If you get a price of under 0.252, you should buy Gala. And it's gonna go pretty high pretty soon. So that's it for today, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.